Let's talk business tonight. Kenyan households with an income of not more than 200,000 shillings are now set to benefit from an increased credit facility from the Kenya mortgage refinance company KMRC. This comes after they increased the upper loan limit from 8 million shillings to 10.5 million shillings in what is termed as addressing the needs of customers. And as Jimmy Mbogo now tells us, KMRC says it's targeting between 400 and 600 homes financing this year.
The Kenya Mortgage Refinance Company is seeking to increase its credit disbursement this year by 5 billion shillings, which will be channeled towards home financing of between 400 and 600 homes. This will increase KMRC cumulative disbursement to over 15 billion shillings, a move that is further expected to be boosted by the increment of the upper loan limit from a maximum of 8 million shillings to 10.5 million shillings.
We had limits that had been set, I think, in 2020, and we thought we needed to address those because, number one, the limits set at that time, and of course the market changes that have taken place between 2020 and now are very significant. And this is also partly because the loans were pegged on foreign currency, or the limit was actually pegged on the foreign currency.
According to the KMRC boss, all Kenyans are eligible for the loans. However, there is a strategy to ensure that those at the bottom of the pyramid are not left out. To further ensure that the loans are affordable, KMRC notes that it will retain a fixed interest rate at an average of 9.5% despite fluctuation of interest rates globally. The facility repayment will also be extended for an average of 20 to 25 years, giving flexibility to customers, contrary to the 8 years offered by primary mortgage lenders, a move that is expected to reduce the risk of non-performing loans.
Your household income must not exceed 200,000 Kenya shillings. And the kind of home that you are likely to buy is mainly an owner-occupier kind of building or home. And that's the primary eligibility that we have. For the time being, though, we are working on a portfolio basis. That is a pool of mortgages that are presented by a financial institution, the KMRC, to refinance.
With a changing macro environment in the country and a growing appetite for impact investment, KMRC now says it will be looking at the bond market as it seeks to raise more capital for affordable housing loans in the second tranche of its 10.5 billion medium-term note.
We're actually looking at a green bond as a next tranche, and that means we're just going to change the supplement. But of course, the pricing has to be good. The last time we checked a government security of an equivalent nature, it was issued at around 16-17%. That is very high.
Jimmy Mbogo, Citizen TV, Nairobi.